I'm in a grocery store in Montego Bay, Jamaica right now, and the prices here are absolutely crazy. Half a watermelon is $11. What? This tiny bag of Cheetos is $6. King size? This isn't even print size. 15 frickin' dollars for some green grapes? Are they filled with gold? This box of Frosted Flakes, $19. $19. $19. $4.40 for one red pepper? A Jack's Pizza, the crappiest, the worst frozen pizza of all time, is $7.50. How do Jamaicans afford to live in Jamaica? Crappy Chips Ahoy cookies for $8.50? Come on, bro. This might be the craziest one yet. $8.50 for just 2 paper towels? Local Jamaicans, help me out. Make it make sense. Why is everything so ridiculously expensive at the grocery stores?